Hi everyone, this is my garden. First we have a potato over here, but you can see it. Here's a camote, and here's a pineapple. This is our ajo. This is our carrots, and that's another pineapple. And this is a passion fruit plant. Okay. And this is a papaya. And this is a tomato that I grew. This is an avocado. And
I think it's guanábana.
a guanabana. And this is avocado. And this was the mango. And this was a heat. And these all, I think they were
Melon.
and this is a palm trees. They live over there. And this is a mushroom. And these are corn.
Is that your corn?
No. But, and here I'm planting,
I think those are weeds.
yeah. And this is these, and this is, onion.
I don't think that's growing, buddy.
That's an onion. That's an onion.
You got anything else?
And let me see. Here's a big pumpkin.